Outside New York, America is not different than India. Okay, it's not safe. It's very expensive. It's the education is bad. There's racism. There's like a lot. It's very similar to India. New York is different because it's like the entire world comes here. This is built on it's runs on immigrants.
And the pollution here in Delhi is very worse, I guess.
Yeah. When this time I came to India,
Yeah.
and I came out of Lucknow airport, and I started coughing. And when my family was looking at me like मैं पागल हो चुका ना कि pollution आपको दिख नहीं लगा मैं pollution तो कहाँ है भाई
400
people
AQI is good.
yeah and you know what until unless it doesn't reach the hazardous people don't take it seriously and Lucknow I think Lucknow Kanpur में it was like something 200 something and which was like polluted like moderately polluted versus not hazardous but moderate and they were like हाँ चलता है पापा न्यूयॉर्क में 25 है
What do you think of that culture? I mean, from the early age only that Americans or maybe the foreign countries like kids go to work basically after 18, like after turning 18 only, right? So
No, I think like after like when they're like 16 and stuff, they started doing part time and stuff.
do you agree with that culture? Like वो अपने पैरों पे खड़े हो रहे हैं, I guess, right? And यहाँ पे Indian culture में I guess मुझे लगता है 10-25 also like people or parents are like feeding their child and everything.
An American student it will be tough because they have classes, they have assignments, they need to do all their house chores, and they're also doing part time because they don't take money. They're like it is also here the culture they don't take money from their parents that much, and what else? They have loans which they need to pay back for education and stuff. Education loans here
Yeah.
and all the stuff. They're like it's heavy. They spend their entire lives paying that back, and
The economy was built on that only, right? And in like 2008 crash was because of that only. Like people can't pay the loan and everything because the double A's or double like triple A's insurance bond were like going down and everything, right? So I guess
yeah,
that's why I think like people of America are very trapped with capitalism. You can say.
yeah, yeah. Very they are like it's not. I don't. It's so like even after like I think like after when I'm in India, it's like actually when I am here. I have the urge to consume more. Like I have like I need something, I need to buy something, I need to eat. It's like I need to like have constantly buy or to feel kind of validated,